So from where we parked the car, we rode about 3.5 miles, climbed about 1,100 feet in elevation at a 6.6% grade. That got us to the top of Schofield Pass. So here's where the climbing really starts. You got another 1.5 miles to go, over 500 feet of vertical, and the grade is anywhere from 8 to 12%. Did I mention how thin the air is up here? So whether you're into mountain biking or hiking, it's easy to see why Crested Butte is such a great destination. At the end of the 401 trail, there is a creek crossing. It's about 15 feet wide, knee deep most of the way. See how we navigated around that. And if you're a hiker, there's a log conveniently laid across the creek. Stay tuned, friends. Further down the trails where the flowers start hitting my handlebars. Check out how steep the climb out of this drainage is. I know folks do this. I'd like to know how. If you've done it, let me know. So as you can see in Crested Butte, the trails are fun and flowy. I don't know if I could ever get enough of this mountain life. The views, the cool crisp air, all the flowers, and of course the beer and pizza in town afterwards. Hopefully this video inspires you to either bike or hike in Crested Butte, Colorado. It truly is a magical place. If you're liking this video, don't forget to check out some of our other types of adventures we've been on. If you really like it, hit that subscribe button. Every time we get new subscribers, we do a little happy dance. We love you guys. Here's that creek crossing I was telling you about earlier.
I'm not carrying my bike across that. I'll fall in.
Brian just picked up his bike and walked across the creek.
This one?
Here's that log hikers use. We chose a little more adventurous route, bushwhacking. Our goal was to find a shallow spot in the creek to ride our bikes across. Just huck it.
Yeah. This is the best option for sure. Yeah. I think we crossed over there last time, but this is... Although last time I tried to ride something I went in.
Do it.
You got it. Oh my god.
Got your shoes wet anyway.
I'm in a shitty ass steer. Alright, Sarah, I gotta put
Show us how it's done, Sarah.
this is why you have flat paddle. Drop your gear though.
Do it. Do it.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Just don't stop pedaling. Yeah. Let's do this. We made it! Woo! Woo! High five!
Woo! Yeah, buddy.
To get to Gunsight, we went through this meadow for about a mile. And hey, by the way, if you want to know where all the trailheads are, we use apps like Mountain Bike Project and Trail Forks. They're very good. I will definitely be coming back to Crested Butte. I would like to do some different trails though. If any of you guys have been there and have your favorites, let me know in the comments below. Not sure if you can see the raindrops on your screen, but we sure welcome this mountain shower. Is that rain or sweat on your back?
Probably sweat.
I know it is on me. So this is the start of Gunsight, and this is what Gunsight is famous for. All these thick aspens, flowy trails. Nothing really technical, except for the occasional downed tree across the trail. Sarah said she cut the corner a little too sharp. I can't tell you how many times I've done that. She's okay, by the way. I have a hard time figuring out what I like better, the huge meadows with handlebar high flowers or these awesome flowy trails through these thick, beautiful aspens. What's your favorite? And would you hike or would you bike? If this is the first time watching our channel, thank you. Thank you so much. But I would like to encourage you to go back and check out some of our other adventures. I mean, we do everything from scuba diving to hiking slot canyons, paddle boarding. We're not the best at everything, but we love taking you along, and hopefully you enjoy our videos. And if you do, please show us some love and hit that subscribe button. We're a small growing channel, and every time we get a subscriber, it keeps us motivated. And if you guys have any questions at all about any of the adventures we've gone on or any of the places we visited, I'll try my best to answer those for you. So I'm curious, did I pique your interest into coming to Crested Butte with this video? If you're into the outdoors, I am convinced you'll have a good time here.
Yeehaw!